Philips Hue Bridge Pro review. Is it upgrade worthy? Now, the Philips Hue Bridge Pro is pretty much only upgrade worthy if your Hue setup is already somewhat big or advanced. Its main advantage is the capacity. The regular Hue Bridge supports around 50 lights, while the Bridge Pro supports around 150 plus lights and 50 plus accessories. This single review here, but there's newer features like the motion aware or where hue lights can act like motion sensors. It also supports major ecosystems like Apple Home, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. For normal users with just a few bulbs, lamps, or strip lights, it's probably not too necessary for your setup. You may not feel a big speed difference, and some advanced features may depend on your setup or future app support. There's also a recent Bridge Pro update issue that reportedly bricked a small number of units, but other than that, the Philips Hue promised free replacements for affected users. But anyway, you have a final verdict as you can upgrade it if you have a large Hue home, multiple rooms, lots of accessories, or you're hitting the old bridge limit. But you can skip it if your current Hue bridge still works fine and your setup is somewhat still small. Anyways, you can take a look at the product itself to their official websites. But hopefully this video still helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.